Hey guys, I'm back again with something new. Mangoes, the fruit of the season, the king of fruits. So I have here badami, a good variety of mango, silky and smooth in texture with no threads. One more thing, they have a good balance between acidity and sweet and a lovely aroma. I will use them to make some rich mango ice cream with chunks of mangoes. By the way, I used them to make some milkshake last evening. Trust me, it was too good. No need to add extra sugar, just some ice and milk. Let's get going with the mango ice cream. Watch me. Mangoes, skin out. I'm going to slice them, remove the maximum flesh out of it to make it into a smooth pulp. So what I have here is two mango pulp, which I'm going to blend into the liquidizer along with the cream and the sugar. And I have these chunks of mangoes which I'm going to mix into the ice cream and put it for freeze, so that while eating you can feel the chunks of mangoes, at the same time the pulp, the beautiful flavor of mangoes. As I told you last time, for the chocolate ice cream, incorporate a lot of air while blending the ice cream so that you don't have any icy crystals in between, and you have the smooth taste of ice cream. Pour the pulp of two mangoes. I have here around 4 tablespoons of sugar. I think it's going to be enough. Since the mangoes are sweet, we don't want too much of the sugary taste. What we want is the flavor of the mangoes. So put in the sugar, pour the cream, the fresh cream, into the blender, and let's start blending it. Prevent the formation of icy crystal. So what you will feel is the pulp, the mango flavor, the rich taste of badami mangoes. So let's pour it. You can see the richness of cream, pulpy mangoes all together. So what I'm going to put is now the chunks, so that while eating your ice cream you can enjoy full taste of mangoes. So just mix it along so that you have the chunks a bit everywhere. Yes, slowly mix it. So guys, with 250 ml of fresh cream, 2 mangoes for the pulp, and 1 mango for the chunks, and 4 tablespoons of sugar. That's your rich ice cream. So guys, we are ready to throw this in the freezer. Let's go. Mango in the freezer. Enjoy your ice cream, guys.